Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well and making profits with crypto. Guys, this is the time to make profit with Hamster Combat because Hamster Combat is going to follow their promises. They said that Hamster Combat will be the biggest airdrop of the history and they are on the way to make it true. Well, in today's video, we are going to give you some of the biggest updates about Hamster Combat, like Hamster Combat's Binance listing and total token supply. We will also discuss the Hamster listing price as well. So guys, keep watching this video till the end to understand everything in detail. And if you find this video informative, then please like it and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also press the notification bell icon to stay updated with all upcoming updates and videos. Well, without any further delay, let's get started. Guys, the biggest news in the town is Hamster Combat has officially announced its Binance listing, and not just Hamster Combat, even Binance itself announced this news. So this is the news we all have been waiting for, and finally it has been confirmed and announced by both Binance and Hamster Combat. As per the promises, Hamster Combat is doing a pretty good job. They are adding all the small and big exchanges. They have added Bitget, Bybit, Bitrue, Bitfinex, OKX, and finally the giant Binance is on the list. Nothing is left now. Almost all the big and small exchanges are in the house, and now we can say Hamster Combat will be the biggest airdrop of all time. Now another big update is the huge token supply of Hamster Combat token. Hamster Combat posted a tweet in which they said, "We are happy to announce that the total supply of Hamster tokens will be 100 billion coins. Apart from this, Binance launch pool token rewards will be 3% of total supply, 3 billion tokens." So guys, Hamster Combat is going to launch with a huge supply and very huge community, so it can be considered the biggest airdrop in history. Now another big point is the price, because this is the actual factor that will decide how big the airdrop will be for the users. Well guys, let us tell you, just a few days ago Hamster Combat was trading at $0.094 in pre-market on Bybit, and for now, as you can see in this screenshot, Hamster Combat is trading in pre-market at Bybit at $0.07. So we can say if Hamster launches at this price, then of course this will be a massive airdrop and every user will get a big reward for their favorite Hamster Combat token. Well, I believe you find this video informative, so please like it and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also press the notification bell icon to stay updated with all upcoming updates and videos. Thanks for watching.